Have you seen Bfirst Apparel blowing up on your feed, promising you free gear to become their next big ambassador? Yeah, so have I. But before you jump in and hand over your cash, let's get real about what's actually going on with Bfirst in 2026. First red flag? That ambassador program. It sounds tempting. Score free merch, just cover shipping. But here's the twist. Shipping fees are sky high, and what you get is usually low-quality stuff that looks nothing like the photos. Tons of users say they got polyester tees instead of the sleek fits they were promised, or worse, nothing at all. And if you're thinking, well, maybe customer service can fix it, don't hold your breath. People report that after paying, Bfirst support just disappears, or sends back copy-paste replies that never actually help. Want more proof? Check out their Trustpilot page. It's loaded with one-star reviews, missing orders, generic products, and a whole lot of angry customers. Plus, Bfirst isn't even BBB accredited. In fact, some shoppers tried to visit their supposed business address, only to find a permanently closed sign. Not exactly confidence-inspiring, right? So, what can you do to protect yourself? Always research brands on sites like Trustpilot or BBB before you buy, especially if it's from a flashy Instagram ad. And definitely use a payment method with buyer protection, like credit cards or PayPal. If a brand asks you to pay for shipping on free items, that's a huge red flag. Bottom line, when it comes to Bfirst Apparel, I'd say keep your wallet closed and your eyes wide open. Don't get scammed for a t-shirt.